First, we make our X equation. So they sell 270 cans of paint, and per price decrease, they sell 6 extra cans. And N is the number of price decreases. Then we want to find our P equation. So P equals the $32 per can and minus each price decrease, N again being the number of price decreases. Then we want to make our X equation into an N equation. So we move our 270 over, 270, divide both sides by 6. Therefore, N equals X minus 270 all over 6. Now we want to make P of X. So what we do is put our N into the P equation. Therefore, we make P of X equals 32 minus 1.2. This is where we put our N in, X minus 270 all over 6. That. Then we simplify P of X, which equals 86 minus 0.2x. And that is our price demand function. Next, we want to find our revenue function. And what we simply do to find our revenue function is times our P of X by X. So there's our X, and here is our P of X. Therefore, our X equals X. This is where we put in our P of X equation. X. And we simplify that. 86x minus 0.2x squared, and that is our revenue function. Now, to find our marginal revenue function, we find our derivative of the revenue function. So revenue is 86x minus 0.2x squared. That's our revenue. Now, our marginal revenue is the derivative. So we have to find that, which is 86 minus, bring down the 2, 0.2x. Simplify 86 minus 0.4x, and this is our marginal revenue function. We use this marginal revenue function to find the number of paint cans we want to sell in order to maximize profit. To do this, we set R prime at X equal to 0. So R prime at X equal to 0. So then we have 86 minus 0.4x equal to 0, and then we solve for x. So 86 equals 0.4x. Divide both sides by 0.4, we get x equals 215. So to maximize our profit, we want to sell 215 paint cans. But at what price do we want to sell it at? This is when we plug 215 into our price demand function. So we go back to P of X equals 86 minus 0.2x. And now we plug in 215. So P equals 215, so that equals 86 minus 0.2, 215. And now we simplify, which now equals 86 minus 0.2 times 115, which equals 43. Simplify to this equals 43. This means we want to sell each can for $43. Therefore, we want to sell each paint can for $43 to maximize profit.